Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix smartphone or tablet malware or phishing attacks, especially from unsafe apps or links opened via SMS or email. Step-by-step guide: removing malware or recovering from phishing attacks on smartphones or tablet symptoms. You might see pop-ups or ads appearing constantly. Sluggish device performance, unrecognized apps installed, unusual data or battery usage, SMS emails sent you didn't send, locked out of accounts or suspicious logins. Step 1. Disconnect from the internet. Why? Prevents the malware from communicating with its server or spreading further. Android, iOS. Swipe down. Enable airplane mode or go to settings. Network and internet. Airplane mode. Step 2. Power off and restart in safe mode, Android only. Why? Safe mode disables third-party apps, including malware. How to boot into safe mode, Android. Hold power button, long press on power off tab. Reboot to safe mode. iPhones don't have a safe mode, but malware on iOS is very rare and usually isolated to jailbroken devices. Step 3. Remove suspicious or unknown apps. Why? Some apps may carry malware or act as phishing gateways. Android, go to settings. Apps, look for unfamiliar or recently installed apps. Tap and uninstall iOS. Tap and hold the app on the home screen. Tap the X or remove app. If an app refuses to uninstall, go to Device Administrators, Android Settings, Security, Device Admin Apps, and revoke access first. Step 4. Clear the browser cache and history. Why? Malware links may reload from history or saved cookies. Chrome, Safari, open the browser, go to Settings, Privacy, clear browsing data, select cookies, cache, and history, then confirm. Step 5. Install and run a trusted mobile antivirus. Why? A reliable scanner can detect and remove hidden malware. Trusted antivirus apps: Android, Bitdefender, Malwarebytes, Avast, ESET, iOS. Malware is rare, but use Lookout or Norton for extra monitoring. Run a full scan and follow prompts to remove threats. Step 6. Reset all browser settings. Why? Malicious redirects may persist via browser settings or configuration profiles. Chrome, Android, iOS. Go to Settings, Privacy, clear all data. Reset homepage and disable pop-ups. Safari, iOS. Go to Settings, Safari, clear history and website data. Step 7. Change all affected passwords. Why? Phishing attacks may have captured login credentials. Prioritize email accounts, banking, finance apps, social media accounts, Apple ID, Google account. Use a password manager and enable 2FA, two-factor authentication, where available. Step 8. Update the OS and apps. Why? Updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Android settings, system update, iOS settings, general, software update. Step 9. Factory reset if malware persists. Why? This wipes the device clean. Only use if malware cannot be removed. Backup important files first. Android, settings, system, reset options, erase all data, iOS, settings, general, reset, erase all content and settings. Step 10. Report the attack, optional but recommended, forward phishing SMS email to Android, iOS, SMS, 7726 spam. Email, reportphishing@apwg.org or your email provider. Notify your IT security team if this is a company-managed device. Prevention tips for the future. Never click on unknown links in SMS or email. Install apps only from Google Play Store, Apple App Store. Keep your OS and apps updated regularly. Avoid jailbreaking or rooting your device. Use a mobile security solution. Enable Play Protect on Android, Google Play, Play Protect on. Let me know if you'd like a PDF guide or visual tutorial version of this.